Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayon. PPSC has announced 18 posts. Assistant Director Stat Agriculture Department Crop Reporting Service. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, students of mathematics, economics and statistics from different cities of Pakistan are preparing for that exam. My WhatsApp numbers are given. You can join the session today. Time is too short to waste. Today I will discuss very important PPSC exam statistics questions from the topics of introduction to statistics, collection of data,
I am Professor Hassan Hamayon Khan.
dispersion,
My YouTube
index
channel
numbers
is
and
Professor
probability
Hassan
with you.
Hamayon. My
Before
Facebook page is
starting today's
also
vital lecture,
Professor Hassan
I request
Hamayon.
everyone
ICS Part
subscribe
2,
to my
Part
channel,
1 मैथमेटिक्स
like and
स्टूडेंट्स
share my
और
channel.
तमाम
Let's
पेरेंट्स को
start.
परेशान होने की ज़रूरत
Question
नहीं.
number 1.
मैं प्रोफेसर हसन तमाम
Empirical
स्टूडेंट्स को
formula between
ऑनलाइन
mean,
तैयारी करवाऊंगा.
median and mode.
आपके लिए ये
Dear
सेशन बहुत
students,
बेनिफिशियल
whenever
होगा,
we have
स्पेशली जिन बच्चों की
moderately
फर्स्ट ईयर में
skewed
सप्ली है
distribution,
वो
then
मेरे
please
सेशन को
note down
ज़रूर
the
ज्वाइन
formula
करें.
that will help you in
अमूमन
the paper.
ICS पार्ट
The
2 के
formula is
स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं
mean
उनको इंटीग्रेशन में
minus
प्रॉब्लम होती
mode
है,
is equal
आपके
to
कॉन्सेप्ट्स
3
क्लियर नहीं
into
होते,
mean
और
minus
जो पार्ट
median.
1 के स्टूडेंट्स
If
हैं
in
उनको
the exam two
ट्रिग्नोमेट्री
values are given,
और
for
सीक्वेंस एंड
example,
सीरीज में प्रॉब्लम
mean and
होती है.
median are given
इस सेशन को
and you
ज्वाइन
want to
करें,
calculate
आपके लिए
mode,
बेनिफिशियल
just
होगा.
substitute the values.
इंशाअल्लाह
And
तमाम
that can
स्टूडेंट्स
also be
मैथमेटिक्स
represented
पार्ट
as
1 पार्ट 2 के
mode is
पेपर्स को
equal to
इजीली पास कर
3
लेंगे.
median
मेरे व्हाट्सएप
minus
नंबर्स
2
गिवन है,
mean.
आप मुझे
A
मैसेज
very
करें
important
और सेशन
concept.
को ज्वाइन करें. अस्सलाम
Question number
वालेकुम.
2. If mu3 is equal to 0. Dear students, if third movement about mean is 0, it is used for skewness. Please keep in mind, if mu3 is 0, it means there is no skewness. The distribution is symmetric. And if mu3 is more than 0, greater than 0, it is 0.5, 1, 2.5, 3, then we have positively skewed. And if it is negative, if it is less than 0, if it is minus 1.2, minus 2.5, minus 3.4, then you have negatively skewed distribution. Next question is, in moderately skewed distribution, mean deviation is equal to, that will be equal to 4 over 5 sigma, 4 over 5 standard deviation, 0.7979 standard deviation. The formula can be asked and the question can also be asked. Just substitute the value of sigma and you can get mean deviation. Next question is very important for PPSC exam. Mean deviation is least when it is calculated. Dear students, whenever you have the absolute deviation from median, that will be minimum. If the question is the absolute deviation is minimum from what? Options are arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, median or mode. Answer is median. The sum of absolute deviation taken from median is always minimum. And the next question is the sum of square of deviation from what? From mean is minimum. Mean deviation is least when the deviation is taken from median. All questions are very important. Next question is very important. If 2 dice are rolled, probability of sum is more than 4. Dear students, whenever you roll 2 dice, then you have 36 sample space, 6 power 2. The sample space will be, please note down in the copy, 1 1 1 2 up to so on 1 6, then 2 1 2 2 up to so on 2 6, 3 1 up to so on 4 1 up to so on 5 1 up to so on 6 1 6 2 6 3. There are 36 outcomes. Now the question is, the sum is more than 4. There are 30 options when the sum is more than 4. For example, in the first row, as I told you, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6, the sum is more than 4. The options are 1 5 and 1 6. There are 2 options. Now total are 30 out of 36. The answer will be 30 over 36. Next question is mean and standard deviation of S and V. S for standard, N for normal. Standard, normal, variable, V for variable. Please keep in mind, mean is always 0, variance is always 1. Next question is probability of A is given. Please note it down, 0.5. Probability of B is given, 0.3. Probability of A intersection B, common between 2 events A and B, is given, 0.1. What is probability of A union B? Please note it down in the copy. The formula is probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Just substitute the value 0.5 plus 0.3 minus 0.1. Answer will be 0.7. Next question is mutually exclusive events. Dear students, two events are said to be mutually exclusive if they cannot come together. It means their intersection is 0. It means probability of A intersection B is equal to 0. Next question is in Pasteur's index number we use dash weights for current year, quantities. In last year we use prices. Next question is very important. As you know, bete, there are 4 scales of measurement. First is nominal scale. It is used for qualitative data. Next is ordinal scale. It is also used for qualitative data, but we have the orders. Interval and ratio scale, they are used for quantitative data. The first one is nominal scale. It is used for categorical data. If I have 50 male and 70 female students in my class, it is the category. Then it is nominal. Then what will be the most best average? It will be mode. Next question is mode is not calculated if the data is, if all the values are unique. For example, there are 7 values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then mode will be nothing because all the values are unique. Next question is Marshall index number satisfies which test? It satisfies time reversal test. P node n multiplied P n node is equal to 1, and factor reversal test and Fisher satisfies time reversal as well as factor reversal test. Next question is CV, coefficient of variation, is expressed in percentage, standard deviation over mean into 100%. And very important question, range of Bowley's coefficient of skewness, it is -1 to +1. Next question is Fisher is the geometric mean between Laspere and Pasteur's. F is equal to L multiplied by P under the root. Next question is when we toss 3 coins, please students, whenever you have 3 coins in your hands and you want to toss them, what will be the sample space? 2 power 3, 8. Now question is what is the probability you have 2 heads, exactly 2 heads? That will be 3 by 8. Next question is very important. 2 events are mutually exclusive. Make your mind. Mutually means they cannot come together. Mutually means their intersection is 0. They have nothing common between them. Now the question is probability of A given B is what? Probability of A given B is probability of A intersection B over probability of B. And as I told you, probability of A intersection B is 0. So 0 over something is 0. Answer will be 0. Please must comment on today's lecture. Assalamu alaikum.